Hey everyone, it's Andy here from Secrets to Trading, and today I want to talk about an NFT that I am super bullish on for the month of December 2021, and that is Immutable Kongz or Immutable Kongz. Now, this is going to launch on the Moonshot Garage Project. Those of you who are familiar with Immutable X NFTs and buying them on there, then Moonshot Garage Project, they launched probably last month, a couple of months ago now, and they actually done one of the first mints that they actually done was for foreign fuels. Went really well. So I think this is going to be an amazing launch. It's still very early days for this. Trust me guys, do not sleep on this NFT, and I'm going to go into it and do a bit more due diligence for you, and there will be links in the description. I must advise, always double check the links guys. We will put the correct links in. But those of you who've been in this NFT space for a while now, you'll see, especially in the Discord channel, only ever check out the official links on the Discord channel. With that being said, let's get into today's video and we'll go through it. So you can see we're on my Discord here, and this is Immutable Kongz. The links are in the description for this, or you can see it from here. Now, they're only on Twitter, and they've got the website. Now, you can see that there is 7.91 thousand people in the Discord. Nearly 6.9 thousand followers, still available for whitelist. There is a pre-sale whitelist which will be launching on December 12th. They've only just launched the dates for that. And if you wanted to mint on the pre-sale, if you happen to get on the whitelist, then that's going to be 0.066 ETH. And then they're going to have the public sale, which will be 3 days later on December 15th, and that's going to be 0.08. Now, especially with a project like this, when he had hype, those of you who've seen some of the hype projects recently, like the High Rise that come in as well, I think it's High Rise, let me have a look. So there's Moonshot Garage, which one was it? Yeah, High Rise Creature Club, that went nuts. Obviously a bit of a shit show when it comes to the pre-sale and the whitelist, but people got in, and they were making like 10x on the floor, off the floor price. Really crazy. But yeah, it's going to be launched on the Moonshot Garage Project, which is here. But we're talking about Immutable Kongz. So we can see you've got the website, which we'll check out in a moment. Whenever I get into this space, especially whenever I speak to newbies getting into the NFT space, a lot of them don't know what they're looking for. They FOMO in. And then basically they'll buy into some shit project, they're left holding the bag, take the ETH, run, Discord shut down, website shut down, whatever. Too many horror stories, unfortunately. But hopefully this is still an early space in NFTs. As the metaverse comes out next year and stuff, I'm hoping that we get some sort of policing, or people just get a bit wise and they clean it up. And this is why we launched the channel. This is why we do these videos, because we want to just educate the uneducated. We want to make it as easy and as simple as possible for everybody to get into this NFT space. And like I say, we are predominantly a trading channel. We trade NFTs, crypto, and trading. But we do know that there is a steep learning curve when it comes to Forex and commodities trading, especially crypto trading compared to NFTs. So you'll see that a lot of the videos that we put on here will be NFT related initially. Because it's just easier to understand trading, and once you get familiar with NFTs, then it's easy then to understand the basics of cryptocurrency and Forex trading. So what I tend to look for is I look for if it's a Vox team or not. I look at if they've got Twitter handles, website handles, stuff like that. So we can see, again, it's what we're on today. Recording this video is the 2nd of December, so still 10 days to pre-sale. Nearly 2 weeks to the public sale. You'll see that this will get ramped up. You'll see a lot more talking about this on Instagram and Twitter, TikTok. We're doing the same on our channels, and we will be sharing it on that as well. But if we go to the Twitter, and you can see they've got decent following on Twitter. You've got the link to the Discord. There is only going to be 6,666 of these up for mint. And in fact, what I look for is I'm looking for the engagement on the posts. So you can see obviously comments, retweets, likes, comments, retweets, likes. You can see it's consistent, guys, yeah? So it's no bots, no bot traffic or anything like that. You can see they're putting multiple times a day, multiple posts. Obviously you've got a giveaway here, so that will get more sales, more interaction, giveaways and stuff like that. And there'll be more and more giveaways in the coming weeks. So yeah, I know this is legit. I know it's not inflated or anything like that, so that's a good sign. We then come back here. I would have a look at the website, and then I'll look into the Discord. So the website, let's grab a drink of coffee. So I really like the cool, as an 80s kid, I really like this retro theme, and I like a lot of these retro NFTs that are coming out. So again, that just confirms what we just talked about, guys, with the pre-sale, whitelist pre-sale, and the public sale. Now you can see this is what some of the art's going to look like. Really, really cool. And then obviously the roadmap as well. So you can check this out. Again, links in the description below. And what they're going to do, they're going to put some money aside. So any percentage from secondary sales, from legendary auction sales, they're going to put it into a treasury holdings, and it'll be used to feed the holders of generation 2. So this will be the first generation of the Immutable Kongz. I just need to say this as a disclaimer, guys. These are not affiliated with the IMX Kongz that is already listed on Immutable X and stuff like that. So yeah, no affiliation whatsoever. So make sure that you are using the links in the description or the links in the Discord. Make sure you're not buying into something that's already live, unless you, no disrespect to that project, but we're talking about Immutable Kongz, and you want to make sure that you're buying this at mint or at public sale. Okay, so you can see they're going to do it in development. They're going to be putting aside 15 Ethereum from the initial mint, and then 2% of secondary sales. They're going to be going to tree planting corporations, planting back trees and stuff. So that's really cool. I like this now. A lot of people are thinking about the environment and thinking about giving something back, which is cool. It's not just about making the founders money. In addition, so you've got 6,660. There'll be 10 unique Immutable Kong NFTs destined to be auctioned as well. On the Ethereum mainnet on OpenSea, and these will be 4K 3D special models of the Kongs. So yeah, you want to look out for them. And then obviously the further roadmap, they're going to have a fusion process. So a lot of these Kongs, a lot of these the Kongs and the apes and stuff like that. A lot of these NFTs, whilst everybody, if you like the art, they buy the art, they keep hold of it or they flip it. It's not enough anymore. Do you know what I mean? You need to be able to breed babies with them. You need to be able to be the deflammatory, where you can like burn them and get a unique one or anything. But with this one, what you can do here, they've thought of both. So you can see here that with 2 Kongs will remain in your wallet after the fusion is completed. The energy released to this process will generate a new and more powerful creature called Kong X. So again, what happens is, when you get that, you're going to be given a utility token, a special earring that they can wear. Yeah, these earrings will be worn by the Kongs as part of the standard outfits, and they will come in different kinds. These special items, together with the token burning process, will allow the ability to power the fusion of 2 Kongs. And obviously the mint Kongs will give its holders access to deeper level rewards, utility, Kong Arsenal, Kong Treasury, access to the token. So obviously they've not fought the token yet, and then community and stuff. So there's lots of new stuff coming in the pipeline, which is cool. You can buy Arsenal and armor and stuff like that. And then you see they've got the treasure be used to purchase NFT. So again, some other NFTs are doing this, but what they'll do is they'll take some of the profit seeds and they'll buy really strong, reliable, valuable NFT assets voted on by the community within the Discord channel, and then they'll be held in the community vault, and it'll make money, and they'll split into factions, see to a new token. Treasury income increases, purchasing more NFT to community vault holders share. So that's cool. Alpha Kong, we are working on making our Alpha Kong community an exclusive space available to Kong X holders, where we'll have the crypto and NFT recommendations from blockchain experts, access to further NFT drops, and exclusive partnership benefits. So that's cool. Kong Stormicizer sounds quite cool. Stormicizer. We will build a utility system that will allow Kong X holders to customize their newborn creature, like in an RPG video game. Choose between different races, face types, fur colors. So you can edit you're going to be able to edit your NFT, which I think is brilliant as well. And then they're going to be doing some more updates. And then the team. Whenever you see some of these, you see the team, and obviously they're not putting the faces to it. They're not Vox team, but these guys have put their own individual Twitter pages and their individual LinkedIn pages. So we can see the CEO and founder, the Michelle Philly. He's put his details on there, so we can see that, which is cool. Obviously, we can see the project lead. So you get to see the people behind him. And they work. Oh, so she works at Trivago. Trivago is a big company as well. and then obviously you've got the Twitter handles, and then you've got your FAQs down the bottom here. So yeah, website link in the description. Cool music's just playing now as we're talking on cue. So we'll go back into the Discord channel. So yeah, you join the Discord, link in the description for the Discord. Obviously you give these follows, you can verify yourself. Again, you can see the roadmap, what we just covered here, which is on the website. It goes into more detail. Official links, again, which is what we covered at the beginning of the video. Any announcements. So if we look at any recent announcements, so they're looking for mods. So anyone who's interested in helping out, looking at gaining it, becoming part of the team, you can fill in the details here. They've updated the roadmap, which we've gone through yesterday. White label spots. They're now on Snoopy Tools. Guys, if you're not checked out Snoopy Tools, we're going to be doing a whole playlist next week of just how to make money on Immutable X. And then basically all the tools that we use to find really good at rare NFTs and how to flip them and all that cool shit. We're going to be going through that next week. So make sure to catch that series, or whenever you're watching this video, go to the playlist for Immutable X, and you'll see all the videos in there, and just take your time, go through them, watch them. And if you do like the videos, give the videos a like, comment on the videos, subscribe to the channel, turn on bell notifications. It does help the channel, it does help us spread the word. Like I said in previous videos, our aim is to educate the uneducated, to help every ordinary people who've never heard of NFTs get into this NFT space, learn, and be able to make some money from it. Obviously, it isn't financial advice. We're doing it from our own background, and we're trading. You guys, you take what we say, do your own homework and due diligence. But yeah, help us to spread the word, spread the love, guys. If you like this video, leave a comment below, click on the like button, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so you can see here, giving whitelists away. You've got the brand name competition, loads of cool stuff going on. So yeah, check it out. And then if you want to know a bit more about them, you've got the jungle, which is the main chat, and you can talk. You can see what everyone's doing. You can see the chat is going. A lot of people's in the chat. So the community is strong, given that there's only nearly 8,000 people in it. This will change over the next couple of weeks, guys. So make sure you get in early. Try and do what you can to get on the whitelist. Make sure you get on the pre-sale, because this is going to be huge. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.